Hey guys, Cece back with another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do the perfect glossy red lip. First time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you're following me on Instagram at GivetteLivesBeauty, and also subscribe to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley Party of 6. So hey you guys, what's up? Cece back with another video, and today we're going to talk about how to put on the perfect red lip. If you know me and if you've been watching me, your girl struggles with red lips, especially glossy red lips. I feel like they get everywhere, it just gets messy, it gets ugly. It's something that I totally struggle with. So we're gonna do that in a minute, but I'm going to tell you how I learned to do the perfect red lip, and that is through the Online Makeup Academy. So I spoke to you guys about this in one of my previous vlogs, that I have been taking courses via the Online Makeup Academy. First of all, I'm sorry I'm a little nasally, okay? But I'm trying to get over this congestion. But yeah, I've been taking courses via the Online Makeup Academy, and I've been having a good time doing it, okay? So my intention is not and has never really been to be a professional makeup artist. And to be a professional makeup artist, you don't have to be certified. However, this course gives you so many things that you don't even think you need to know. Like, there are just so many amazing lessons in this course, and I feel like it's well worth it to take it if you are a makeup artist or an aspiring makeup artist and you want to really take your craft seriously. Like, there's a lot of industries. I have a certification for human resources, and I could work in HR just perfectly and not have a certification, but having that certification just really says that I take my craft seriously. And I feel like it's the same thing with makeup artistry. So this just says that I want to learn as much as I can and be as professional as possible when I enter this industry. So that's what I think is so good about getting a certification. Not to mention, like I said, there's so much that I didn't even think about when it comes to makeup artistry that I'm so happy that I was able to take this course. So I do want to say that they did reach out to me, and they did provide me with this course, as well as a kit that you would get if you sign up for the course. Now, I've been taking it and I didn't have to finish the course, but I'm totally going to and get my certification. I'm about 50% of the way through, and I've just been soaking up so much knowledge. It's a self-paced course, totally online, and the one amazing thing about doing it online versus in person is that you can keep rewinding these lessons. So I have kept rewound, like I could probably be about 80 to 90% done now, but I'm seriously going back and rewinding different things because I really want to learn and I want to see them do it more than once. I feel like when you're in an in-person setting, maybe they'll repeat themselves once or twice, but you don't have unlimited access to rewind and see a demo of how to do certain things. In an online setting, you do. The curriculum covers so many advanced techniques. One of the things that, I mean, I knew it was super important, but I didn't realize how in depth you could actually go with it, was cleanliness and sanitation. Again, I'm not a makeup artist, you know what I'm saying? So especially in this day and age with COVID-19 running rapid, people still gotta get their makeup done, okay? People are still getting married, people are still doing photo shoots, TV, movies, all that stuff. You wanna make sure you're being as clean and as professional as possible, and you also wanna make sure that you're protecting yourself from whatever your client could have. So they go in depth with the cleaning and the sanitation, and I mean, like, some of the things that I learned was just absolutely amazing. I do like people's makeup from time to time, usually family and friends, so having this extra backup in my arsenal is really cool to have this knowledge now. So during these sessions, they talk a lot about being on set, maybe at a TV, on a TV set or a movie set or a video or photo shoot set. And they talk about like some of the different intricacies and techniques that you can use when you're on a set. So if you're looking to be a makeup artist for TV or anything like that, this is definitely a great place to learn and jumpstart your career. So with that being said, they also give you a full-on makeup kit. Now, I've been through the kit. You're probably going to have to add a few shades of a few different things, but for the most part, there's not much that you're going to have to add to this kit to get started. As you go through your career, of course, you're going to find different products that you prefer, brands that you prefer, and things like that that you would want to add to your kit. But if you're just getting started and you're like, man, I really don't have the money to go out and buy a full-fledged makeup kit, this is an amazing starter kit. So I'm going to go through the products in this kit, and then we'll move on to the red lip. The kit is a great way to help you get through the course as well, because you do have to submit like actual homework assignments. Like, this isn't just a cakewalk where you're gonna be like, okay, let me just hurry up and watch these videos real quick. Like, this is something where you actually have to apply it and put it to use, and you have to submit this stuff, and they will tell you if it's right or not, and send it back to you to redo. So this is not something that you're just gonna like cakewalk through. You definitely have to put in the time, put in the effort, put in the work. So this kit is really helpful because like you will have to create makeup looks and things like that and submit it for review. So I'm just gonna show you everything that's in the kit real quick. So first thing I see is this Inglot makeup fixer, and you know what, another thing that I love about the kit is that this isn't just like some no-name makeup products. You guys will see they have really good name brand products in this kit, so you're not just getting like some knockoff makeup. Like, this kit is worth a lot of money. The Inglot makeup fixer spray, which I've actually heard really good things about. I've been hearing great things about this for years. So that is included. They have this 16 color eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. Just a nice neutral palette. Also has like some burgundy tones in there. I mean, you could do a lot with this palette, a lot of different looks, and the palette is super pigmented. I have used it. They also give you one of these Pro blush palettes. These are absolutely amazing for all skin tones. You can mix them, you can match them. Y'all know all about these, come on. So the next thing that they give you in this kit is a full brush kit. Obviously, you can't do makeup without brushes, so I have not opened this yet. Y'all know I have so many brushes, but look, this is definitely a full brush kit with every type of brush you can imagine. You have your fan brush over here, your foundation brush, your like flat kabuki brush, your dual fiber brush, all of the eye brushes that you would need. This is a full brush kit, and once again, like I said, once you become an established makeup artist, like even me, obviously I'm not a makeup artist, but I do makeup all the time, so I have my favorites. I have the different types of brushes I like to use for the different types of techniques. You'll learn that as you go through your career, so this is just a great jumping off point, but you can always add to this. But this is such just a nice jumping off point if you're like, look, I don't have the money to buy a full kit right now. I think this is great. It also comes with this contouring and blush kit. Comes with this huge eyeshadow palette. This is a 35 color eyeshadow palette. And this is the more colorful one, so if you want to do more colorful looks, you do have some shades in here. On top of the brush kit, they do give you this angled brush from Inglot. This is a 31T brush. You also get this high gloss lip oil from Inglot, which I've used several times and actually really love. So you do get that as well. The kit comes with 4 shades of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. You guys know I used to love this foundation. I don't know why I stopped using it, but it's gorgeous for like film and pictures and TV, anything where you're gonna be like HD. It's so gorgeous for that. So it comes with a variety of shades that you could mix and match to get pretty much any shade. Like I said, to make things easier, you're probably going to want to buy a few more shades, but it's nice that they do give you that variety. And obviously this ain't no cheap foundation, so this isn't just like a foundation that they picked up off the street, you know what I'm saying? So here are the 4 shades that they give you. There's 2 paler shades, like a medium shade and then a deeper shade. They give you Y205, Y235, which are those 2, and then Y385 and Y545. And just for reference, I'm Y I'm Y445 in Makeup Forever, so I'm a little deeper than this one right here, just for reference. So they do give you an abundance of lighter shades. However, if you mix and match these, you could make the shade that you need. They also added the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Brow Kit in number 1. There's the Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer, a full size of this. I think this primer is like $32 or something. So great stuff in this kit. 3 shades of the Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer. I have shade number 18 here, but they also included shade number 1 and also shade number 7. So the lighter end of the spectrum, the medium end of the spectrum, and then the deeper end of the spectrum. And again, those are great. You can mix them up and create the color that you need. There is the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. This is a mascara. This looks like that. I've heard good things about the Makeup Forever mascaras. They included some glitter. This is super chunky glitter, so I would assume this is only for the body or the face, not like the eyes. The Inglot Gel Eyeliner, which I have some of that back there. This is one of the best gel eyeliners on the market. They have the NYX Special Effects SFX Set Loose Setting Powder. I didn't even know NYX made special effects makeup, but that's included. They included this Plasto Wax, which I'm assuming is special effects makeup. I haven't gotten to that module yet, but I'm assuming that's special effects makeup. So yeah, made of natural wax, imitate the skin color and texture, effectively modifying eyebrow or create special effects on eyebrows. So that's what that is. That will be good come some Halloween looks next month, y'all. We have a selfie ring light. The Inglot Duraline, which if you don't know what this is, I also have this, and this is great for like a mixing medium. So if you're mixing it with pigments, you can mix it with like glitters. You can put a drop or 2 on your gel eyeliner if it's going bad. If it's getting like dry and crusty, it'll make it good as new, y'all, I promise. Even your eyebrow pomades, it's really, really good for that. There's a 5-color camouflage palette, so a color correcting palette. A 4-pack of lashes. And then probably one of the most crucial parts, or one of the most crucial things in your kit that you will use every single time you do makeup on someone, is the makeup palette as well as the spatula. This is what keeps you from mixing or double dipping into your products and keeps everything sanitary. It's this guy right here. Oh, and I almost forgot, the palette that we're using today, they also include this NYX Pro Lip Cream palette. So this is what we're going to be using today to create our red lip. But that's everything that comes in the kit. Those are my thoughts on the Online Makeup Academy program. If you guys are interested, of course, I will have the link down below in the description box. So make sure you check them out. If you were even thinking about becoming a pro makeup artist, I think this is a perfect route to get you started. This is a great course for makeup beginners, as well as even people who have been doing makeup for a long time. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how they taught me how to do the perfect glossy red lip. Alright, so I just took off my lip balm. The first thing I'm going to do is actually mute out my lips using the foundation that I have on, which is actually the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I just have some left over on my sponge, so I'm going to mute out my lips using the foundation, and then I'm going to set that using this Chanel powder. So you want to mute out your lips just to make sure that you are getting the best color payoff possible from your lip product. That's something that I already knew, but they really emphasized it during the red lip tutorial, and I feel like that was really helpful because I definitely don't do this all the time. And like I mentioned before, I do struggle with red lips and bright lips in general. So another thing is that you want to make sure that you are lining your lips, especially with red, and take your time while you're doing it. This just helps to make sure you're super precise and your lip is super sharp. I never have super sharp lips because I don't take my time. I rush through it to put the makeup on, and I really feel like I took my time here, and again, the lesson just emphasized that so much, and it really made me stop and think, like, what am I rushing for? Take your time, your lip just looks so much better. So for the lip color, we're going to use the palette that was actually in the kit that I received, and I'm going to use this tiny brush. This is a precision concealer brush, I believe it's called. It's one of the brushes that I got from Amazon, but it's really great for lips because it's nice and precise and sharp. So using a lip brush is a great way to make sure that you're being as, again, precise as possible. When I do lips, normally I'll just take the liquid lipstick, slap it on my lips and be done with it, but the lip brush helps a lot. Then they also suggested using a brighter red color in the center, and that just helps to give the lips a little more dimension. Now before we do the gloss, I'm going to take the same Chanel powder and I'm just going to dust it on the lips, and this is going to help dry the lips. So if you're going to put gloss on top of a wet lip, it's just going to bleed all over the place and it's going to look a mess. But I dried it out, and I'm going to take this Crystal Clear Gloss by NYX, and I'm just going to put a dab in the center of my lips, and that's really it, you guys. It's simple, but it definitely takes some time and some practice to master, I feel like, the perfect red lip. But that is all for this video. If you guys are interested in signing up for the Online Makeup Academy, I will have links and all of that down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.